Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some homemade crispy tortilla chips that go perfect with my creamy guacamole. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alright, so we're going to begin by prepping our tortillas to make our chips. So for this you can use white corn tortillas or yellow corn tortillas. So now we're going to begin by cutting them into triangles. So cut them in half and then half again. And of course, if you want them smaller, then just cut them smaller. Do the same to the rest of the tortillas. And once we have them, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. And while we wait, we're going to be layering our triangles into our baking sheet. Make sure that you layer them in a single layer. Now we're going to be baking for 5 minutes. Okay, so before we fry our tortillas, we're going to make our guacamole. For that, we're going to need 3 avocados, half of an onion, 1 jalapeño, or if you want a little spicier, 1 habanero, half of a lime, 2 roma tomatoes, a small bunch of cilantro, garlic salt, and black pepper. All right, so once we have all of our ingredients, we're going to begin by chopping our roma tomatoes. So I like to remove the ends, and I like to remove the inside of the tomato. So just kind of core it. Cut it into small strips and then into small squares. Okay, next we're going to chop our onion. Okay, next we're going to get the jalapeño. And I like to remove the seeds. Okay, going to cut into strips and then into small little pieces. Okay, I'm also going to be adding 1 habanero. Just remove the seeds, cut into small strips, and then into small pieces. And lastly, we're going to chop our cilantro. Okay, so once we have it all, now we can smash down our avocados. Okay, so cut open your avocado, remove the pit, grab your spoon, okay, and just scoop it out. Okay, and just repeat to the rest of the avocados. Okay, so here we're going to squeeze half a lime. Get all the juice. Okay, we're going to season with 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. And now we can get ready to smash. Okay, so once we have our avocado all nice and smashed, now we are ready to add all of our vegetables. Okay, so we're going to add our tomatoes, our onion, the peppers, and the cilantro. Now just mix it all together. Just make sure that you mix it well. Okay, so once we mix it well, taste it for salt and see if you want to adjust it. For me, this is always perfect. So now we're just going to place it in the refrigerator while we fry our chips. Okay guys, so after 5 minutes, our tortillas should have dried out. So now we're going to begin to fry them on medium heat until they're nice and golden. Okay, so after a couple minutes, we have our tortilla chips. They should be nice and golden. And as you can hear them, they should be crispy too. So we're going to remove them from the oil. Okay. And we're going to sprinkle a little salt. So just shake, shake, shake. And repeat the process. Alrighty, and once we have our chips, we can get ready to serve and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this recipe is seriously super easy and very delicious that even your picky eater will have their hands all over it. It's so simple yet very delicious, and guacamole is perfect with everything. And you know, just with chips like that, the best appetizer. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. It is simply perfect. The chip is crispy, crunchy. It's the best. So good. And of course, like every recipe, you can adjust it to your liking. If you don't like onions, skip on them. Same thing with the tomatoes. You can always make it more spicy, or just don't make it spicy at all. This is just the best. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make my super easy and delicious chips and guacamole. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you look at this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.